We've come to the Lake District, haven't we?
Hell yeah.
What's the walk called we're doing?
I can't remember.
Whorneyside.
There's a waterfall.
Yeah, Whorneyside Waterfall, but it's quite spectacular here. Turn it around. Got no stick, haven't I?
No stick.
I got long range.
Stop it.
Hey sheeps. Hey.
Hello.
Hey. Hey sheeps. Things hanging out there, laugh.
Hello.
Hey. Got a little bit of sheep herding. Very cool, isn't it, love?
Oh yeah. Crazy doggies.
Can't really see on the GoPro, but it is pretty cool. Low key film. Do you know what I mean? I don't have to hold it up. Hey doggy. Hey doggy. We've come to the Lake District for my birthday weekend. So my birthday's on Tuesday, so we've come away for Saturday and Sunday. Yesterday we drove up, which took ages. It took about 4 hours. So we stopped in the town, which is Ambleside, and we looked around, went to a bookshop, got like a pastry, things like that. And then we checked into our hotel. What did we do after that? Checked into the hotel.
We went on our walk around the lake.
Yeah, we went on a walk around the lake. We're staying on Lake Windermere. It's like the company that we work for has like a house there, so it's slightly cheaper than it would have been usually. But yeah, we went for a walk around the lake, and then we went and had a pizza in Windermere, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A place called Base Pizza, which was really yummy. And then came home, had some wine, watched the sunset over the lake, which was really nice. And then that was basically it yesterday. So today we got up, had breakfast. It was just like a cooked breakfast type thing. And then we've come for a walk today. It should take about 2 hours, I think. Oh no, are they horses over there?
Must be.
Ah. Yes, it's going to take about 2 hours. It's not massively challenging. It's been alright so far, hasn't it, this walk?
Oh yeah.
It's been concrete, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
And now it's kind of like not too bad. So yeah, a little walk, and then we've got a roast dinner booked later, 3-course roast dinner, which I'm very excited about. Yes, that's it really. It's quite cold, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely a lot colder than it has been the past few months.
Yeah, pretty cold, but we're all wrapped up, so it's all good. Yeah. Bye.
Over and out.
Little prison sheep. Little sheep in prison.
Oh, poor sheep.
I know. Are you poorly? Are you poorly? Wow, look at this big riverbed.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool. I wonder if I bet the whole thing gets.
Yeah, look, you can see there's a bridge over it there.
Wow. This whole thing is riverbed, but obviously it's not very high right now. Mega cool.
Wow. Meh. 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 Meh.
Thinks you're weird.
I was like, what's he saying?
What's that?
Speak up, mate. I can't hear what he's bloody saying.
This is the way. On our way up, aren't we?
Oh,
Yeah, a bit steep now, actually.
yeah, telling me.
Bloody hell.
Out of nowhere.
I feel like it never looks that steep on the camera. Wow. Oh, to be a bird flying through the sky. I feel like if I was going to come back as anything,
Yeah.
I'd want to come back as a bird in a mountain. Must feel so free. To be fair, I feel quite free. Oh look, little sheep. Christ. You okay? The first little waterfall. I just walked in there. Wow. Wow, look at the view of the valley. Bit steep, this final bit, but we're making it. We're making it, aren't we?
I'll just about.
It's a little bit steep. We haven't been doing any hill training recently, so feeling it a little bit. The waterfall.
Oh.
Watch out for this step, Dev.
Watch out, you'll go for it.
Go for injury.
Go for injury, yeah.
Wow.
Why does it so puffy? That's not a good angle.
It does, it's like a wide lens. So it makes...
Don't put it so close to my face on the wide lens, because it makes me look like I've had a allergy to bees or something. Like I've been stung on the nose or something, I've gone all puffy.
Christ.
B-roll.
Blah, blah.
Would you...
I baked some cinnamon rolls and we brought them with us. Can you do a grand unveiling? Ta-da! And we bought the frosting in. You don't have to unveil that if you don't want to. we got a tub of frosting. Are you excited?
Oh hell yeah. Looks like it's...
We've had our cinnamon rolls.
Oh yeah.
And we're just going to head back now. We've had a little sit down, haven't we?
Out of water.
Yeah, we ran out of water, obviously. We forgot to pick it up on the way, so yeah, off we go.
Adventure on.
You're in the river.